Okay. Then your other side. Got your built-ins on this side. And toilet room. It looks like we need to fix that. And then your shower. And beautiful tiled pebbles, upgraded shower, rain shower spout. And your neighbors are pretty close to you, so the house is right there. Looks like a stairwell. So definitely your neighbors will shut that. And then you have a double sink. And upgraded like a stone tile flooring. And actually on here it's really pretty. The backsplash is like a really pretty decorative stone. Okay. And this is a small, nice linen closet. Okay. And then we're going to go back through the master. And then you have your other bedrooms the rest upstairs. So you have your third bedroom, or second bedroom, third bedroom. And closet space. Pretty fixtures. But your neighbor is literally, I'm not sure if that's stairs, I would think, but it doesn't look like it. It looks like there's a couple rooms there. Might be the loft. So your neighbors are pretty close by. And really pretty though. Really pretty upgraded tile flooring, like a vinyl tile. It's really pretty. And they had to fix but nice yeah, good sized bathtub. And you have double sinks here. And then you have your fourth bedroom and your closet space right there. And then that's right there, overlooks the neighborhood. And your neighbor, and then the rest of the neighborhood. It's definitely a newer neighborhood for sure. And then you have your loft area and your washer dryer. And it comes with a nice sink upstairs. Good size laundry, and it has some nice shelving in here. And then you have some plug-in and upgraded like a couple accent walls. It's carpeted. It's like a grayish tone to it. And this is not, well, it's not wallpaper. It looks like it's really like it feels like maybe like a brick overlay. And that's it.